PVC is a really versatile product and not just for plumbing. Here are some unique tips for working with PVC around your house. Here's a great way to cut PVC pipe on the fly. Just cut a couple notches on the top of a 5-gallon bucket. Set the pipe in the notches and you've got a stable spot for sawing. As a bonus, you can load up your bucket and carry your tools along too. Cooking in the great outdoors is part of the fun of camping, but packing sharp knives can be precarious and even dangerous. Fortunately, you can carry knives safely in your backpack with a piece of PVC and some end caps. Take a piece of PVC pipe roughly the length of your knife and glue a cap onto one end. Then put the knife in and put the cap on the other end, leaving that side unglued. Mark the unglued cap with an X so you can remember which side is which. If you're packing multiple knives, you can label the outside of each tube with a permanent marker to remember which one is which. You can turn a piece of PVC pipe into a handheld sanding drum using just sandpaper and some spray adhesive. I'll show you how. To apply the sandpaper to the pipe, spray both the paper and the pipe with a generous layer of adhesive. Then let each surface dry for several minutes before you join them. These are really great for sanding concave curves, and you can use different size pipes to meet your needs. It's really easy to mount PVC pipe on your pegboard for storing long skinny items like pens and pencils or extra saw blades. Just slide a piece on over a long peg and fill it up with whatever you need. This next tip sounds a little crazy, but it actually works. You can cut through PVC pipe using just some string. It's a great trick to know if you have to cut through pipe that's buried in a wall or some other tight spot that's hard to reach with a saw. For even more PVC hacks, visit us at familyhandyman.com.